Hello from Sun Enterprises and welcome to our tutorial on how to make a bracelet with magnetic lock. The magnetic lock that we are going to use for this bracelet is the MGST 124 lock, which suits a round leather in 4 mm wide. The leather that we will use with this magnetic lock is the 4 mm round leather in Python style, which is one of the newest items in our assortment and also the most popular one for this season. So, today we're going to make a double wrap bracelet. For that purpose, we will use the Fevikwik glue, with which we will glue the lock to the leather. The size of the leather for this particular bracelet is around 35 centimeters for woman's hand, but the best thing you can do is just to measure accordingly to your hand. The good thing about this glue is you don't have to wait for it to dry. You just put it in the one side of the lock and put the leather in. And you do the same on the other side of the lock. The magnet of the lock is really strong, so you don't have to worry. And there we have the double wrap bracelet. Thank you for your attention. If you want to see all the products from our assortment, you can easily do it in our catalog or visit our website www.sunenterprises.eu.